My name is Dr. Majmi Mirani, and I have been serving as the Interim Dean of the College of Engineering. What you see behind me is an exciting event today at LTU, where our students are showing their work and the projects that they have been working for a year in the form of posters. These are projects that these students have been working on. Sometimes these are actually devices that they've been making. Quite often these things end up to be a patent or a publication that our students present in conferences, and that's what we are really proud of, and this is what Lawrence Technological University is about.
Hi, my name is Yeen Lee. I'm a master's in mechatronics and robotics. So today this is about soft actuator technologies using 3D printing. It will focus on wearables. My main goal is to have it so that eventually everybody can have an assistive brace that everybody can just print at home and use it in their daily lives. I also want to see how far I can push 3D printing technology into the biomedical field.